Hello everyone, Peppermint here. Today I'm going to show you how to make this snowflake. It is made out of pony beads. It's made out of the regular size pony beads, and it's also made with some miniature pony beads as well. The blue beads came from Michael's. They're the pearl beads, and I got them in a big pack. And the small beads, the white beads, came online, but you can get those at Michael's. And you can also get them at Hobby Lobby. They might come in another pack though, a smaller pack. Well, let's get started then. I'm using 30 gauge wire for this project, and you'll need probably about 3/4 of a yard. That should be plenty. And at first I'm going to do the center. I'm putting on 5 regular sized pony beads, and then I'm running the wire through them again to bring them around into a circle, and this will be the center of the snowflake. I'm tying it because 30 gauge wire you can tie, and now I'm just positioning the beads so that I can put the white beads in between there. Now I'm going through the first bead just to give it a good start, and now I'm putting on a mini pony bead, the white ones. These are smaller than the other one. And I'm basically just putting the white beads in between the blue beads. That's basically what's happening here. I'll go through a blue bead, string on a white bead, and then go through a blue bead, and then string through a white bead, all the way around. All the way around. Okay, just one more white bead. There it goes, one white bead, and then I'm going to go through the blue bead. And now I'm going to go through the next white bead, the original white bead. Right there. There it goes. And now I'm going to do a pattern of blue, white, blue, going through all of the white beads all the way around. There's the blue, there's the white, and there's the blue. And then I'm going to go through the next white, and that will make a little point type thing. There's another blue, a white, and a blue. Now I'm going to go through the next white bead, and then it'll be like that all the way around. It's just repeating all the way around. Last one. Blue, white, blue. And then I go through the original white bead. And now I'm just fixing all of the little points and just getting it tight and making sure everything looks good. Now I'm going to travel up to the white bead. The one that's sticking out the furthest. And now I'm going to string on 3 white mini beads. And you just go around in a little circle around that white bead, and it's like a circle of 4 beads there on the end. Now I'm going to travel to the next white bead that is on the edge. Okay, and coming out the white bead on the edge. And now again I'm going to string on 3 white mini pony beads. And that's all there is to it. Just got to go all the way around now. This is the year 2021. I'm going to have some sort of ornament every Thursday from here throughout December. I'm going to try my very best anyway to make sure that I have a video out like this, and most of them will be Christmas ornaments. There might be like a tree or something, or a gnome or something like that. I have a friend that's wanting to make one of those. And so I haven't really looked at the video very closely yet, but I'm going to, and I'm going to see what we can do. Just 2 more tips left. Almost done with this snowflake. Almost done. Okay, now all I need to do is put a little hanger on there. You can put whatever hanger you want to. Piece of ribbon, make you a hanger out of beads or whatever. Anyway, it's finished now and it's ready to hang on a tree.